This is practicing the W and V sound. Wa, wa, okay. This is a story at B1 level, intermediate level. Listen, watch my mouth. Watch my mouth and speak after me. Listen, pause, speak. Listen, pause, speak. Wendy was watching the vibrant waves while Victor vacuumed the visitor center. They were planning a vacation to a distant village known for its vineyard views. Although the windy weather was worsening, Victor vowed to complete his work on time. Eventually, they saved enough money and visited their favorite winter destination. Don't worry about reading. If you read, you will speak slowly and stutter. Watch my lips and repeat it after me, and you will speak very fluently. So do this again and again, many times, until you can speak fluently.